I see you. I see you. This is for my buddy Kyle. What up, YouTube? Rad and Grizz over here, coming to you from Ottawa, Canada. I'm on my way to work. The reason I have the GoPro is that last night, on my way back to work, I almost got run over by this fucking bitch. Still pisses me off. So what happened? I was in a one fucking laner, okay, getting off of the highway. I was going and I saw in my mirror this car speeding up, so I moved just a bit because I knew that like she was gonna do something really fucking stupid, and she tried to pass me in the one lane and run me off the road. If I didn't move, like, she would have fucking knocked the bike over and run me over. So I went to her window, gave her the like what the fuck sign, and she gave me the what the fuck sign, like if it's my fault that I was in her way. Like I was in front of her in that one fucking laner, and she wouldn't bring her fucking window down. So yeah, that's what happened. Like, I keep seeing bikers lately on YouTube being patient with fucking road ragers and shit, and fucking idiot drivers, but me, no. Wait, one sec. Like, I just cannot do that. I tried. That fucking incompetent bitch tried to run me over off the road. It's people like that who just want to fucking slap in the face, take their fucking driver's license, their car keys, and leave them on the side of the fucking road. So right now I've decided that for as long as I'm riding, not necessarily doing a motovlog or anything, I want to have the GoPro on all the fucking time, because there's too many stupid people out there to not have a camera and expose them. It's like that one guy, the title was World's Most Patient Biker or something like that. It was in Walmart, I think, and the guy was on a KLR and went to go and talk to the guy that passed him and was driving stupidly, asking him why he was being stupid. And that guy, like, immature as fuck, was saying, "Oh yeah, I fucked her money good last night. Yeah, she was moaning like, ah!" Like, what the fuck, man? That guy, honestly, I would lift my hat to him. World's most patient fucking biker indeed. I honestly didn't last like fucking 2 seconds. Here you guys, that's it. Try to not forget my keys there. I'll see you guys when I'm done work. Peace out. I see you. Boom! I got you. I scared the living shit out of you. Look at you, you're leaking fucking oil. Oh, I'm gonna go through there. Hey, doo 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 doo. Man, this fucking parking exhaust though, eh? Ah. So I have 1 bar of gas. I need to find a gas station very soon. And under. And we're out of that fucking tunnel. Is the cop coming? No. Okay, we're good. We're good. Cop was busy eating donuts probably. I'm just gonna put her down on cruise and sit back. This is why I got the like rear bag. I can just sit back on it and just chill. I can play video games. I'm gonna imagine that I have a controller in my hand and just like gas, brake, turning, the view, probably Super Mario style. Left, right, again, don't know my right from my left. This guy's gonna fuck me over, is he? You gonna fuck me over? Thank you very much for not fucking me over. Turn right, lean right a bit. Okay, go back, straight. Look left, look right. We're good. Let's put some gas in this beer. Holy fuck, can you see all the bugs? Damn, son. I feel like this is a fucking grave and bodies are fucking decomposing. The bugs are here to eat them. Oh my god, that's a zombie movie, isn't it? Oh. 1 2 And just so you don't see my credit card information or anything, I'm just gonna, you know, skip the credit card part. Do I want a car wash? No. Other amount? Do you think I can put fucking $200 of gas worth in this? You fucking retarded? I'll put like 15. 1 bar should have gone with 18. Oh well. I'm gonna spit all over my mic. It's refreshing. Anyone. Lucy, do you like that? Are you hungry a bit? You were hungry, weren't you? Yeah, you were a good girl. Does that feel good? Fuck, you're a bit dirty. I'm sorry. Do you need a bath tomorrow, bro? Let me give you a bath. You like a bath, wouldn't you? Or do you like to be dirty? Guys, the key for a happy bike is for you to talk dirty to her. Name it and talk dirty. When I'm full and even put $15. Do I know my bike or do I know my bike? $14.25. I say that's pretty fucking damn close. Want me to reset you? Oh yeah, you want me to put on reset button? Oh yeah, I'll press on the reset. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No receipt? Well, give me my fucking receipt. Fine. Now just leave then, you fucking stupid ass bitch machine. I'm kidding, I love you, you gave me gas. When I am alone at night after a shift, that guy was standing there was probably hearing me the entire time. Yeah, when I'm alone at night with my bike and I'm tired, I get weird with my bike. I get fucking weird with her. Eh? Spank that ass. She likes being spanked. Eh? Do you like being spanked, Lucy? Yes, I like being spanked. You see, she answers me. So, yeah, besides that, what up, guys? Hope you guys are having an awesome fucking summer so far. I hope it's great. Probably is, because you're riding. If you're watching this, you probably have a bike and you're probably riding. So you're having an amazing fucking supper. Summer, I mean, yeah, summer. Holy shit. Tinted visor, pitch black part, put on the high fucking beams, will ya, bud? You're trying to get yourself killed out of here, aren't ya? You gotta go high, low, high, low, high, low, so you can see close and far, but those cars are not gonna like that. Guess what? I don't fucking care! Like, seriously, can you guys, like, fucking see something? If you do, let me know in the comments below. And please let me know in the comment below, how the fuck do I get home? I'm lost.